This is the rocket train. It is rocket-powered. It does best on straightaways, so watch for straight runs of track to give this train a speed boost. Select the practice button to try out this engine before you race. Let's practice driving the rocket train. When the light turns green, press the space bar to power your train. When the track branches, choose which way you want to go. Press the down arrow on the keyboard to take the lower path, or press the up arrow to choose the upper path. Look for straight runs of track to boost your speed. Look for signs like this one, so you will know which way to go. Ready, set, go! Press the space bar to power your train. The track branches ahead. Press the down arrow on the keyboard to take the lower path, or press the up arrow to choose the upper path. There's a straight run of track ahead. Choose the lower path to boost your speed. That was a great practice run. Choose practice to try again. Select race if you're ready to race with the rocket train. If you want to try another train, select the blue button. Ready, set, go! Yeah! The rocket train finished in second place. Great job. You get a silver medal. Choose race to try again. If you want to try another train, select the blue button.